Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this stylish Ford Focus 1.5 TDCi ST-Line X. This vehicle has currently done 64,163 miles and it's finished in the colour frozen white. It's a gorgeous looking hatchback with very sporty styling, and it comes with some great features. It sits nicely on 18-inch alloy wheels. You've got LED daytime running lights that complement the vehicle all throughout the day. In the boot you will find 316 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,262 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have your lovely cloth interior with the red contrasting stitching. There are ice fix points on the outer seat, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you have your leather wrapped multifunction flat bottom steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. To the left of your steering wheel you have your cruise control and speed limiter with controls for the display in the instrument cluster above it. To the right you have controls for adjusting your infotainment system. On the display here in the instrument cluster you've got access to your trip computer. You've got different driving data here, including a digital speedometer and your average fuel consumption. You've got your trip computer too, access to vehicle information and some settings. Centered here in the dashboard you have your touchscreen infotainment system. It's got access to DAB, FM and AM radio. You can also play your own music through USB input, Bluetooth audio and a CD player. You've got your phone menu where you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. The system does come with built-in navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. You've got access to mobile apps. There's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility, keeping you well connected with your phone while you're on the go. In your settings you've got access to all different system settings. This Focus comes with rear parking sensors, which makes reversing much easier. Below from the display you'll find your dual zone automatic climate control. You've got your USB point there and a 12-volt socket. You do have a 6-speed manual gear selector.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.